Is your skin feeling dull, lifeless, and just meh? It's happened to the best of us, but what if I told you that your skincare routine could actually be the reason for your skin's dullness? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are uncovering the skincare mistakes you might be making every day without realizing it. Yes, the secret of glowing skin is not more products. It's about rethinking how you treat your skin every single day. Let's break down what you are probably doing wrong, and if you're someone who is already know about skincare and all that stuff related to skincare, you can skip this video. If you want that healthy, glowing, refreshed skin, this video is for you, and please do subscribe my channel. Let's start with the most common mistake. Scrubbing your face like it's owes you money. Your skin is not a dirty dish, where you're over scrubbing your skin and thinking that you will get perfect skin. So over exfoliating causes more irritation and there is halo dullness. Stop it now if you are doing it. The real reason behind dullness is over cleansing actually strips your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry and dull. You might feel clean, but you are also causing irritation that leads to inflammation and redness. So here's how to fix it. Use a gentle cleanser and limit washing to twice a day, morning and night. That's it, and let your skin's natural oil do their job and restore your skin's balance. Next problem to look at is you are too much focusing on products and not on your inner health. This mistake is harder to spot, focusing on product instead of what's going on inside. Yes, it's true that you can have the most expensive skincare routine, but if your lifestyle is out of whack, your skin will show it. Stress, lack of sleep, and poor diet are huge culprits. Your skin is a reflection of your inner health. So no matter how many serums you use, if you're stressed or sleep deprived, your skin won't shine. For this problem, just focus on stress management, get enough sleep and hydrate from the inside out, and your skin will start reflecting that balance. Healthy skin starts with you. So more is not more when it comes to skincare. Overloading your skin with too many products is like trying to put 10 outfits on at once. Everything just gets lost. So when you use too many active ingredients like acid, retinol, and vitamin C at the same time, you are overloading your skin, leading to irritation, clogged pores, and again you guessed it right. Hello dullness, nice to meet you again. Just keep it simple. First start with a gentle cleanser, then a good moisturizer and a sunscreen. Take note, only introduce one new active ingredient at a time, and for this one step your skin will thank you. Stop, why are you rushing and leaving this video here? Because our fourth mistake is rushing your routine. So we all are busy, sometimes we rush through our routine, but when you are in a hurry, your skin is not getting the love it deserves. Rushing through your skincare leads to misstep and improper absorption, and honestly, it's like trying to speed read a book. You might get through it, but you will miss the best part. So here's how to fix it. Take your time, gently massage each product into your skin. Slow down and enjoy the process, like the way you are enjoying my video. But yeah, because your skin absorbs the nutrition better when you give it that extra minute. Okay, here's come our last mistake of today's video is ignoring your neck and hands, the same way you're ignoring that subscribe button. So your neck and hands are just as exposed to the sun and environmental damage as your face, but they often get ignored in your routine. This leads to premature aging and dullness. Extend your skincare down your neck and don't forget your hands. They need sunscreen, moisturizing, and anti-aging treatment just like your face. So your skin deserves better than dullness. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can start seeing noticeable difference in your skin glow. You just need patience, consistency, and self-care are the key. Start implementing these changes today, and trust me, your glow will become the real reason of existence. Just kidding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.